Here we have a problem on logarithm. Let's read the question. Find the value of log 0.0001 to the base 0.1. So how to find the value of this log 0.0001 to the base 0.1? It's very simple. What we need to do is we have to write this argument 0.0001 in terms of exponent of 0.1 that we have in base. Okay, when I multiply the base 0.1 by itself, it is 0.1 times 0.1, I get 0.01. And moreover, 0.1 times 0.1 can be written as 0.1 the whole square. So if I take square for 0.1, that is equal to 0.01. Okay, if I take power 3 for 0.1, I will get 0.001. That is 1 0 will be added in this part. Okay, if I take power 4 for 0.1, I'll be getting 0.0001. So 3 zeros and 1. So for 0.0001, we can write 0.1 to the power of 4. So we get log, instead of this we can write 0.1 whole to the power of 4 to the base 0.1. Okay, now we can use the fundamental law, that is we can bring this exponent 4 in front of the logarithm. So we get 4 times log 0.1 to the base 0.1. Here the base and the argument both are equal, so the value of such logarithm is 1, so 4 times 1, so which is equal to 4. So the value of log 0.0001 to the base 0.1 is 4.